Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So let's make this. So for this tutorial I'll be making use of our satin fabric, and for the length of it I have 10 inches, and then for the width I have about 20 inches. Okay, this length or this width is your round head, your head circumference minus about 5 inches. So that's what I have. So the next thing I'm going to do is to fold this fabric into two, and then I'm going to go ahead and make a stitch at the at one side of it. Once I am done with it, I'm going to turn it to the right side, and I'll do the same thing for the other one. And also remember, we took out 5 inches for from the measurement. So what I'm going to do is to cut out another fabric. For the width I have 2 inches, and then for the length I have 2 inches, and then for the width is double of the 5 inches we took out. So once I am done stitching this from the wrong side, I'm going to go ahead and turn it to the right side, and I'm using my safety pin to do this. So this is it. After I was done turning it, I'm going to go ahead and iron all the pieces that I have. If you haven't subscribed up to this moment, please take 1 minute to hit on the subscribe button, join the growing family, join this family. And to my old subscribers, I say thank you very much for all your support. I really appreciate you all for sticking with me all this while. And so for this small stripe, you're going to iron this. The stitching area will be at the center, not like the other ones that is by the side. So the two bigger one is by the side, and but this small one is at the center. I hope you understand this. So I'm going to be adding an elastic. Remember, we took out 5 inches from our hair circumference, so my elastic is about 4 inches. By the time I stitch it down, I'll have about 3 inches, because I'm going to be using ½ inch to stitch at the two sides. But you can do this, you can take out as much as you want if you feel that one is going to be loose for you. But I don't like anything that is tight on my anything that is on my head to be tight for me. So once I secure this at one side, I'm going to pull it out from the other side and also secure that, and then take it to my sewing machine to stitch these two sides. So this is it. After I was done stitching it, you can see this headband is as simple as it looks. It's so simple to make. So once I am done, I'm going to go ahead and cross this piece with each other, just like you want to make a cross, and then cross it over. Then I'll pick the small piece and then put it in between the bigger one. So I'm going to arrange it well, put it in between the other one, and then use it to close it up. If you don't understand what I'm trying to say, please look at the video, you will. Once I am done, I'm going to go ahead and then stitch it down, and then I'll do the same thing for this headband, the other side of the headband, just like I did for the other one. I'll place it in between, use the two sides to close it down, to close it. If you haven't seen the video of my hair the scrunchie for the hair, please check it out. It's as simple as this headband. You will enjoy it as well. So I'm going to go ahead and close it up and then stitch it down as well. So this is it after I was done stitching it down. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out, more like using the bigger one to cover the rough edge, just like you see me do. Look at it where you understand what I'm trying to say. So once you pull the smaller one down, it's going to close by itself, and then you use your hand to arrange it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up as usual. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Thank you for watching. Bye.